Don't forget to smash that. Dude, I'm going to smash the phone in a second. Just show me why the toilet's running. All right. So you flush the toilet, you're on to do other things, and that internal clock starts going off at about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you're like, whoa, hold on a second. Why is the toilet still running? Well, you have to come in here and figure it out. You're going to have to take that cover off and take this stuff off the cover, because you know you're going to try it. You're going to take the cover off with the stuff on it, and the stuff's going to fall over, and you're going to be mad. So just take the stuff off. Then you come and take the cover off. You look inside that bowl, and you make sure that chain isn't all caught up somewhere. Or maybe the chain fell off completely, which is an easy fix. And if you will just want to stick your hands in there with that water, that's just fine. If you don't, you can come over here to the left side, and there's a little shut-off valve. You can turn that clockwise until it bottoms out, and then flush the toilet. And there you go. You don't have to work with all the water in there. And then hopefully it's just a chain. Maybe it's caught, or maybe it's busted, and you can fix it. If it's the flapper and it's ripped or torn or something, you're going to have to go to a big box store or something and get the flapper. But that's it.